follow the complete playlist. If not, so make sure to check this will teach you that how you can build a complex ICO DApp with multiple feature code. And you can see this is the exact repo I have opened. This is the update folder, and this is what we have coded entirely in the project. The only thing you have to do to add this feature in the existing project, you have to install 1 or 2 packages. So if I come back to the package manager, there you will find that here we have multiple package which we have to install to integrate this feature. So first package is going to be this RainbowKit. I hope you guys are familiar with this RainbowKit. If not, then you can simply type RainbowKit and hit enter. It's going to give you this first. Click on that, and this is a very powerful platform which allow you to connect and integrate the wallets in your application very smoothly. So you can simply install, and you can do that. You can view the docs there. You will find all the details about the RainbowKit, that how you can configure, how you can install, how you can connect, and how you can do the modeling size. So every single thing we have used is going to be the latest one, so it will be 100% compatible. You can see we have the auth, so all the things you will find here. So this is the one thing you have to install. So make sure you have to install this particular package. It is the latest one, Wing 1218. So this is the package which you have to install, or you can simply come back here. You can go back to the installation section. There you will find that these are the 3 options which we get to install the packages. So we have to do the manual install. So this is the entire thing which you need. npm install, we need the RainbowKit, we need the Wing library, then we need the view, and we need this query. So we're going to install the latest version. So simply copy, and that's what you have to install. So once you install, you're going to have these 4 libraries in your project. So this is the 2, and here we have the 2. So I have done the installation. Once you've done the installation, now you can simply close this one. Now you have to come back to your pages inside the app.js. So all the update we have to do here in the app.js. So simply close this one. First thing, we have to import the CSS file, the module. So that's coming from our RainbowKit. So this is the exact import you have to do. Once you do the installation, you will come back to the package modules, and there you will find all the packages we have installed, and from there we are getting all of this. Okay, so this is the one which you have to import. Then you have to import the component. So we need the theme, we need the RainbowKit provider and configuration, and it's coming from RainbowKit. Here we have the Wing provider. This is the one what you have to install, and here we have the chain. So you can literally configure any chain which you want to configure in your project, but I will go with the test network. That's what I have taken. But here we have other option as well, which is going to enable to the user. So you can simply play around with this value. Now here we have the clients, which is coming from query, client provider, and query, and this is our context which we have done the configuration. And this one is a very important thing. You can see we are using connect wallet in our project, so user can simply scan it and they can connect. So if I come back here in the browser, go back to the application, and first I have already done the installation, so I'll simply start the application, and it's going to start the application on localhost 3000. So you can see it's working fine. Now we can come back here, and I'm going to reload the page, and here our application got started. But you have to get your own. You can call whatever you want to app. You have to provide your API key, and here you have to provide the chain which you want to use it. So I'm deployed my contract to this. That's what I'm providing here, and here I'm using this if DApp use server-side rendering. This one is very important because we are not doing the configuration in the backend, we are doing on the front end, and this is a very simple one. So that's why I have to make it true. Here I'm building the query object, and that's what I'm simply configuring. So here I have this provider, I'm passing the configuration which we have done here. Then we are taking this RainbowKit provider and setting up the theme, that what color do you want. So in round, radius, font stack, and blue overlay. Then we have the token provider, and here we have all of this. So this is the exact thing you have to do. And here we have the query. You have to create this configs, and you have to import all of these packages. I hope you guys have followed me and you guys have imported in the project. Now it's time to get your API key, or you can use it, but it will not work because after completing the tutorial I'm going to simply delete this one. So you have to get your own. So to get your own, all you can do is simply come back here, connect, and it's going to give you here. This is the one which you have to click, and it's going to bring it here. There you can able to find all the configuration which you want to do through React, Next.js. That's all you will find. We are working on our Next.js project, so we can simply click here, and here you will find multiple models. So here we get an option to get a key. So if you don't have it, simply click on this and get start, and it will take you to your account. So I already have my account, and you can see this is the project which I have already created, and that's what I have used. So I can simply copy, and that's what I can simply provide here. This is the exact key I have. Got it? So to create a new key, all you can do is you can simply come back here and you will find all the things, all the details right up here. So to create a new key, you can click on this project, and here you will have this option. This is the one which I have created. You can also do the verification in your domain if you want. I can simply click here, and you have to give the name of the project. So I'll say new ICO DApp, and here you have to provide the URL. So I'll go back to the blockchain coder. I hope you guys are familiar with this, and I'm going to provide it, but make sure you have to provide the actual domain, and click on this. And here you have to pick the framework which you want to use it. So I'll go with this WebKit, or I can simply click here for the time being, and I click on this create, because I'm not using any one of these packages. All I need is my API key. Got it? This is what I need. I can simply copy that one, and that's what I can simply paste. So if you click on this project, you will find the two which we have created. You can click on this, the one which you have created, and you can simply copy that, and that's what you can simply paste here. Got it? You got your key. Now you are come back here in the blockchain coder, go back to the source code section, and here you will find all the project we have built on our channel. This is very important, all the project we have built here in the channel. So you can simply click on this get now, and you will come back here, simply download the starter file and start following the tutorial. You can simply watch the video. In that I have explained that how you can do the setup when you will get the final source code, or you can simply follow the complete project. So that's the only thing from my end. I hope you guys have understood. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section so I can able to help you. This is the project which you have to include, which is one of the very frequent project you will get when you will work in a decentralized finance for your clients. So this is the project which you will get, because everybody wants to launch their token, ICO DApp, PreSale. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me know in comment section. So do let me know in the comment section. With that, I'm ending this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.